In the 1950s, gays and lesbians began to form the first civil rights groups that protested discrimination by the federal government. Among them, Bayard Rustin, a gay man who worked with the Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and helped organize the 1963 March on Washington. In 1966, transgender women and drag queens staged demonstrations at Compton's cafeteria in San Francisco, protesting ongoing police harassment. In the early hours of June 28, 1969, LGBTQ+ patrons at the Stonewall Inn in New York City fought back after an unprovoked police raid. This sparked what is now the modern-day gay civil rights movement. November 1978, after leading a successful campaign to defeat an anti-gay proposal, San Francisco Supervisor Harvey Milk was gunned down along with Mayor George Moscone in City Hall. In 1994, Don't Ask, Don't Tell became the official U.S. policy on military service for LGBTQ+ people. Its repeal took effect in September 2011. 1998, October, in Wyoming, college student Matthew Shepard attacked, tied to a fence in a field, and left to die because he was gay. His death part of what led to federal hate crime legislation. Also in 1999, a Vermont court said the state had to allow civil unions. In May of 2004, same-sex marriages were made legal in Massachusetts. The same happened in California a month later, but stopped in November after voters passed Proposition 8. A series of U.S. Supreme Court decisions in 2013 and 2015 made it legal nationwide. During the Trump administration, LGBTQ+ civil rights protections were rolled back in numerous ways, including protections for transgender students. So far in 2023, more than 530 anti-transgender laws have been proposed in state legislatures across the country. Many passed. Some 250 years of progress and rollbacks, privileges allowed, rights denied, equality still the desire of those who want to live their lives fully and love freely.